What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get the dark theme in DEX screener. Also, if you're interested in some crypto related bonuses, I will leave some relevant links in the description below. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open your DEX screener website right here, you would need to go to the bottom left corner right here. Now on this menu you have a few different options and we need to click on this last option that is a moon icon right here. Now once you click on that moon icon, it will automatically switch to the darker theme, and if you refresh the page, the theme will remain as you can see. So that's guys how you can switch or get the dark theme on DEX screener desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.